Hey, Mikhail.
What up?
So I'm starting to rebuild my credit. Should I get a secured credit card?
So the only time you should get a secured card is listen, go to discover.com, go to navyfederal.com, and go to chase.com, right? And I want you to fill out the pre-approval forms. And I want you to find out if you will be approved for any other credit cards besides the secured card. Now, if the secured card is your only option, then you can go ahead and do that. And I would say only get about 2 of them. Once you have about 6 to 12 months of on-time payments, you do not miss a payment on your secured cards, then you should go back out there and start filling out pre-approvals again and go ahead and reapply those banks. You're watching this right now and you're like, I'm getting a ton of value, but I want the full game. I want the full breakdown on how to start repairing my credit, rebuilding my credit, and getting approvals. Well, then you need to click the link in my bio and get access to my free credit class. I'm going to show you exactly how to repair your credit yourself, how to rebuild it, and how to structure your report to start getting approvals. The class is completely free, and I'm only going to be doing it for a limited time. So make sure you go click the link in my bio right now and get access to this free class.